Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the QR code tool in Affinity. So as you can see, we're in Affinity here. I'm going to create and just select a new project right here, then create a new document. And so you're in Affinity. So if you ever want to, let's say, create a QR code for whatever purpose, follow these steps that I'm about to share with you to create your QR code. Now on the left hand side, the first thing you want to do is look for the rectangular tool, as you can see here. Click on that. And in the list, you will find a QR code. So here's a QR code tool. You click on that and then just basically draw your QR code. Now you notice once I draw the QR code, it's in this kind of a like, not the normal color that you would imagine for QR code to have, but we can easily click off and we can always change it. So here is what it looks like when it's selected. And when you click off, it looks like this. Now we can change it because QR code normally has like a black color. So what we want to do on the upper right hand side, once we select the tool, we want to go ahead and ensure that we click on appearance. And here you can see, for example, that it has the fill color of like a white. So you can click there, double click. And for example, you can click on color or swatches and you can select, for example, black. And as you can see right now, it looks like that. So once you click off, you realize now that it has a nice little look like a QR code. Now, how do you know go ahead and let's say put your own link behind that or choose for whatever purpose? You click on the QR code and on the upper left hand side, you'll see the data section. Here's a URL. If you click on that, you have the option now to change even the type. So here you have URL, you have phone, you have SMS, WhatsApp, FaceTime, location, Wi-Fi, whatever purpose you want to use it for, you can use it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as URL right here and just change this from, for example, Affinity to, for example, www.google.com. And I'm going to click on OK. Now, what I want you to do now is just basically take your phone right now and scan this QR code and you will see that it works. I'm going to do the same with my phone right now just to show you. So I'm going to just to show you. So I'm going to open up my camera right now and just scan my camera over my phone and immediately I can see Google appear. And I click on that and it's going to load Google. And you should try it too and you will see that it's going to work, right? So you should be able to use your camera, scan this, or just open up your camera, put it over this QR code and you will see that it shows the link for Google at the bottom. And so you can always go ahead and let's say export this. And as I showed you before, you can do this for whatever. So you just want to click the QR code, click where it shows the URL and you can change the type for whatever purpose you need to, and it will basically work. And so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you can easily use the QR code tool in Affinity. Once you're ready, you can always go to export on the upper right and click the drop down and you can either export it with let's say transparent background, or you can click on export itself and just basically choose what you want, right? If you want to export it, for example, as an image, you'll be able to click the drop down at the top here and then choose the type. As you can see, this is PNG. Click the drop down and choose different file types that you want to export it as. But that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.